Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick that can make your PowerPoint presentations more dynamic and interactive. How to add clickable links or hyperlinks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to link to websites, videos, or any external resource directly from your slides. Let's dive in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add a clickable link. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top menu. This is where all the magic happens for adding extra elements to your slides. Click on Shapes and scroll down to find Action buttons. These are perfect for creating clickable areas in your presentation. Choose any action button that fits your slide style. Once selected, draw the shape directly onto your slide. You can resize it or move it around so it fits perfectly with your layout. Now, let's turn the shape into a hyperlink. Right-click on the shape, hover over Hyperlink to, and then select the URL option. Here comes the important part. Carefully type or paste the web address or video link you want to connect to. Double check it to make sure it's correct, because even a small mistake can break the link. After entering the URL, click OK and confirm any additional prompts. Your shape is now fully interactive. During your presentation, simply click the button and it will take you directly to the linked web page or video. And that's it. Adding hyperlinks in PowerPoint is that simple. By using these clickable buttons, your presentations can become much more interactive and visually engaging. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.